Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today, class?
We're fine, teacher.
Very good. Teacher Vanessa is happy that you are all happy to find today. So now, before anything else, everyone, please stand up for our opening prayer. Okay, class, before you take your seat, please pick up a pieces of paper and your chair. Class, take your seat. Is there any answer to play, class?
None, teacher.
Very good. Just because of that, let's give ourselves a round of applause. So now, Teacher Vanessa is prepared our classroom rules that you must to obey. So first is raise your hand before you speak. Yes, of course. Then next is use kind words, not just for us, but for your classmate also. Then next is listen attentively. Yes, because this is more importantly in listen attentively. Then next is everyone is respected. So next is support others. So especially in group activity, you must need to support others. Are we clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
So now, I have here a short audio clip. So all you need to do is to listen and to see that audio clips. Because later on, I will ask you with regards to our audio clips. So class, based on the audio clips that you heard, what is all about? Okay, and then? Yes, very good. What else? Sandara? Very good. Let's give Sandara an amazing clap. You know what is amazing clap, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, I will do it first, then we will do it together. It goes like this, class. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sing, sing, sing. Amazing. So everyone stand up, class.
One, two, three. Sing, sing, sing. Amazing.
Okay, very good. So now, I will divide you into two groups. So this will be the group 1, row 1, and this will be the group 2, row 2. So group 1 and group 2. So please, group 1, read the direction.
Group 1. Direction. Reduce a loud sound with continuous clapping. Hard. But keep that and anything that can produce a sound.
Okay, very good. Also the group 2, please read the direction.
Produce a soft sound. You can use your own voice or anything that can produce a sound.
So, okay, very good. I will give you only 5 minutes to prepare. The timer starts now. please come here in front and let's show.
We are the group 1 and we will demonstrate the loud sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Tapos, next is that.
Okay, group 1, very good. So give group 1 gang clap. You know what is gang clap class?
No, teacher.
So it goes like this clap. Class 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, gang. So everyone stand up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, gang. So since group 1 they have cooperation and also they perform the task already. So I give 5 candies for group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's proceed to group 2.
Okay, our task is produce a soft sound and you can use your own voice or anything that can produce a sound. So like this.
Okay, very good. Very good, group 2. So let's give barangay clap to group 2. So since you performed it very well, so I give you a 5 candies also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So class, did you enjoy our activity today?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now, with my co-teacher, so we will continue our discussion for today. Thank you.
And now, our topic for today is all about dynamic. So dynamic dynamic is a loud or softness of sound. For example, the dynamic is a it's an example of the dynamics from the loud to soft. And the dynamics they have symbols. The first is the present symbols. The first is the piano. The piano is a loud. For example, I have here a picture to, for example, piano is a song. That's why this example of the piano, just like a, for example, the singing a lullaby quietly. The next is the MP mezzo piano moderate song, for example, talking in calm voice. Just like this, mezzo piano moderate or soft. The play moderate soft is an example of the mezzo piano. The next is the F forte. F forte means it's a loud. For example, it's a sharing for your favorite thing. Just like this F forte. And the next is the crescendo gradually becoming louder. Is that, for example, starting softly then slowly becoming louder while singing. And the next is the crescendo. Crescendo means gradually becoming louder. For example, starting softly then slowly becoming louder while singing. Did you understand our topic for today, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. At the same group, I will group you into groups. This is the first group and the second group. Okay, we start now. Okay. First group, who is the present your work?
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, sir. So, we are in group 1 and we are going to perform the dynamic that has A, E, piano soft, and M, D, major piano moderate soft, and we are going to perform it 2 times. It means the first is we are going to perform E, B, piano soft. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So the next one is we are going to perform the mellow piano moderately soft. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That's all for the
Okay, let's give a round of applause of group 1. Okay, group 2.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmates. So our task is give a short line of a song or simple chant based from the matching that given. So moderately loud and also loud. So we're going to sing perform
dynamic marking means soft. A, F, B, and F, C, P, and D, F, F. Number 3, what does F forte means? A, very soft, B, moderate soft, C, loud, and D, very loud. What is
C.
the answer?
Loud.
Very good. Number 4, which marking means moderate loud? And A and B, B and F, C, P, and D crescendo.
B and F.
Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. For number 5, what does crescendo mean? Gradually becoming soft. B, suddenly loud, and C, gradually becoming louder, and D, stayed at the same volume. What is the answer? Very good. Who is got a perfect score?
Me, teacher.
Very good. For your assignment direction, listen to any song of your choice at home from radio or TV or phone. While listening, pay attention to the loudness and softness of the music. Students, write in your notebook what is the title of the song, who is the singer and artist, and identify at least 2 parts of the song where the music is. And you pass it in the next meeting. Okay, goodbye class.